Hi guys, it's Shannon here to bring you your weekly Reiki. Today we're going to focus on using Lepidolite to help you deal with all the negativity and bad energy that's going on. It helps you be more compassionate to yourself, give yourself a little grace, and really lean into that kind of self-love so that you can project that out into the world. Okay, so we're going to get started. Just say I consent or I accept, like, comment, and share. And if you are interested in having a private Reiki session, you can always message me and we can set things up. I'm actually working on my website right now, so I'll have the functionality for you to schedule directly there. As another news, I'm just finishing up my book. It's called The Untamed Phoenix in the Eye of the Storm, so that's going to be available on Amazon pretty soon, and I will tell you more about that when it gets here. So you guys have a wonderful week, and enjoy this. Watch it as many times as you want. It will help bring some soothing and calmness to your life. Okay, you ready? Take a deep breath. Deep breaths all the way into the belly. Relax. You can close your eyes, you can stay awake. Just relax and feel. Feel where the tension is in your body. Direct your attention there. Breathing. Sending you love, hope for the future. Think about your gratitude. What is something even so small, like I woke up, my eyes open this morning. I'm grateful for my cat. I'm grateful for my dog. I'm grateful for my kids. I'm grateful that I have a job. I'm grateful that I can help people. I'm grateful for my family, my friends, my boyfriend. And I'm grateful for all of you. Keep breathing, feel the energy, feel it resetting your nervous system, feel the stress melting away. You're exactly where you need to be. Some transmutation, these heavy energies. Think about the energy that's coming in and thinking and meditating on how to change it, how to make it something different, channel it into creativity, Channel it into your family, channel it into love, channel it into service, volunteer. You got this. We're all gonna be okay. We got this. Call all soul fragments back to you. We've been doing a lot of traveling, a lot of light encoding. System resetting. Feel the calmness drop into your still point. Feet on the ground. Think of where you feel whatever's holding you, making contact with your body. Some grace, gentle, lots of self-care. Meditate in the shower, take a hot bath, do something nice for yourself. This world is too stressful right now. We gotta be kind and gentle with ourselves. And remember, it's okay to say no. If you're not feeling it, you don't feel good. Don't do things that you don't want to do or don't feel like doing. Just be kind and compassionate with yourself. Take rest where you need it. We need people like you in this world. Use your discernment. Don't buy into the hate or the division between everybody. Okay? Think hard about everything that you ingest out there. News, podcasts, okay? Matters. I'm sending you love, light, and healing. Whatever you need, comment and let me know. I love you guys. I hope you have a fabulous week. Be gentle with yourselves, okay?